Hi guys, today we'll be making catfish pepper soup, or you can also call it yam catfish pepper soup. Yeah, I got this my fish. Look at how big. I could not hold this fish. It was very big. So I got it for 7,000 naira in one of the Nigerian biggest markets. Yes. It was so difficult for me to hold this catfish, trust me guys, because it was bigger than I had to use two hands to hold it. Okay, I finally unlived the catfish and I'm using lime to wash it. I don't know if I'm the only one that likes using lime to wash my catfish. Do you also like using it? Tell me at the comment section. And please, if this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and God bless you. Okay, so here I'm adding my hot water to wash it thoroughly. Yeah, and I'm done. This is the quantity of water I'll be using because I wouldn't want it to be very watery. If you also want your pepper soup to be watery, or it depends on your choice, so you can decide to add more water, but this is the quantity of water I'll be using. And here I'm chopping my onion. Yeah, the onion is just a very small size of onion because the person I'm making this for doesn't like too much onion in the food. Yeah, so that's why I'm using this size of onion. I chopped it, chop, and here I'm adding it inside my pepper soup pot. And here I'm powdering my scotch bonnet. I use like 6 to 8 balls of scotch bonnet and crayfish. You need to be generous of your crayfish because it gives pepper soup a very good taste. Yeah, it gives the pepper soup a very good taste, trust me. So you need to be generous with your crayfish. And here I'm adding my seasoning. I'm adding my pepper soup spice seasoning. You can use any spice that you like, that you want, depending on the taste you want your catfish or your pepper soup to come out. So I used my pepper soup spice and I added 3 cubes of Maggi. Just 3 cubes. I didn't use much, just 3 cubes. So I'm done pounding my pepper and crayfish, so I'm adding it inside my catfish. That is almost done. It doesn't take too long to make catfish. It's really easy and simple, and I hope you will try this at home. And if you've watched to this length, I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe and like and comment. Okay, here I'm chopping my scent leaf. You have to add water to wash your scent leaf so that it can kill some germs in the leaf of the scent leaf. And you also wash it thoroughly. I washed mine for 3 times before chopping it. And here my catfish is almost ready. I've added my scent leaf and I also add my yam. I already parboiled my yam earlier. I didn't add the video. So I like adding a little oil in my catfish. Yes, I like it. It gives it a very proper balancing look, as you can see from my pot. And my catfish pepper soup is done. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe